Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your PS5 with a passcode. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set up your PS5 with a passcode so that anytime someone starts it up, they need to enter a 4-digit number. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says Settings. Next, scroll down to where it says Users and Accounts. Next, click on Login Settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Require a PS5 Login Passcode. So at this point, you would just enter a 4-digit passcode, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up a login passcode on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.